Get excited about the 2011 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.